Hello kabayan! Swerte nyo ngayong araw na ito kasi I'm going to share it with you guys my Hearty Chicken Gravy recipe, a great way to elevate your chicken dishes. Kailangan natin ng isang buong rotisserie chicken, ilagay sa isang malaking pot at himayin. Set aside mo yung chicken meat, itari yung mga buto-buto at skin ng buong chicken, gagawa tayo ng napakalinamnam na chicken gravy. Pour 8 cups of water, cover at pakuluan ng mahigit kalahating oras at habang pinapakuluan natin ang low-medium heat, let's get our dry ingredients ready. First, we need seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, rosemary and garlic, oregano, basil, ground white pepper, cumin, at celery salt. This seems like a lot and overpowering, but trust me, I made this recipe ng maraming beses na. And the only problem is, laging bitin. At ang reklamo lagi, I didn't make enough gravy. Kasi napakasarap niya talaga. After pakuluan ng kalahating oras, ilagay na natin yung mga dry ingredients. Halu-haluin lang ng konti, then takpan uli at simmer for another half an hour. Shoutout muna tayo kay Lang Arguera, Claire Prima, at Ira Lorenzana. Salamat kabayan for watching my video. Budburan pa uli natin ng konting smoked paprika para ma-enhance yung kulay ng gravy natin. Tapos, tikman natin kung tama na ba yung lasa niya. Well, we need a few more dashes of seasoned salt and we are almost done. To thicken our chicken gravy, we need half cup cornstarch and 1 cup water. Give them a quick stir hanggang sa matunaw na yung cornstarch. You can always add more cornstarch kung gusto mo ng mas malapot na gravy. Bago ibuhos sa pot, let's cook muna natin yung chicken bones and skin. You can now add your cornstarch, haluin ng mabuti, and we are going to cook this for just a couple of minutes. Once it's thickened, remove na natin from heat, salain at ibuhos sa malaking bowl. We are all getting hungry at tinatanong na ako ng mga anak ko when it's lunch ready. I told them lunch will be ready in a few minutes. Oh, ayan na, serve na natin. You can pair this chicken gravy over rice, mashed potato, or biscuits. To complete your meal, serve with any kind of meat or vegetables, and your chicken gravy recipe is ready to enjoy. Tara, kain tayo!